What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fast charge your iPhone with a simple automation. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and go to the Automations tab. Tap Create Personal Automation if this is your first time, or tap the plus icon on the top right. On the Automation page, scroll down and select the charger option. Choose Is Connected and select the Run Immediately option. Toggle off Notify when run and tap Next. Now, select New Blank Automation. Type Airplane Mode into the search bar and select it when it appears. Turn Airplane Mode on. When your phone is in airplane mode, it stops using resources for notifications, downloads or network activity, allowing it to charge much faster. Once you've set airplane mode on, tap Done to save this automation. Now, let's set up an automation for when you unplug your iPhone. Go back to the Create Personal Automation tab, select Charger, but this time choose Is Disconnected and select the Run Immediately option. Toggle off Notify when run and tap Next. Add the airplane mode action again. This time, set airplane mode to off so that your iPhone will automatically go back online when you disconnect it from the charger. Tap Done to save this automation. Now, whenever you plug in your iPhone, it will automatically go into airplane mode and start charging faster without any notifications or network interruptions. When you unplug, airplane mode will turn off, and your iPhone will go back to normal. This is perfect if you're looking to charge your iPhone quickly without any distractions. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.